Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick review on Tresorit. Yes, Tresorit has to do with secure file exchange and collaboration made easy. It helps you protect and optimize your digital work and life while taking control of your data with zero knowledge and end-to-end encrypted platform. Securely store, share, scan and sign sensitive files in one place. You can see we have it for Android devices and PCs and mobile devices. So you can engage with teams, clients, and partners, ensuring confidentiality, stay productive using their integrations, that is Google, Outlook, and more. You can try for free to 14 days without limitations. Trusted by about 11,000 plus organizations worldwide. You can see them. Now they use it for, you can use Tresorit for file sharing and storage, data room collaboration, decoded e-signing, secure emails, and data residency. This for file sharing, you can try for free. So why should you choose this? Because it's built for security and designed for you. Manage collaboration with one platform. You can see Tresorit Secure Cloud, Tresorit File Sharing, Tresorit e-signing is an add-on, Tresorit email encryption, another add-on, and so much more. So you can secure the digital world with Tresorit. Start storing and exchanging files with ease and controls. You can try for free, like I said. You want to stay on top of security trends, you can download the CIO guideline to learn much more. There are other things you can read about and watch to get much more about them. So like we said before, it's a very great one. I want to give it a try today. You can try for free.